Hello guys and welcome back to today's cryptocurrency video. So today we are going to be looking at YFI or YEARN.finance. YEARN.finance is currently at the $6,399 level. We are currently ranked at 264 with a market cap of about $214 million. And so today I'm going to be showing you my price prediction right here for YFI. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. Right. So in the last 1 week, YFI right here is up or down around last week. We were down 5.4% cumulatively, but without further ado, let us push to the chart right here for YFI. So we're on the chart right here for YFI versus the USD theta. We're on the 3 days time frame. Binance is the data source, right? So right here for YFI, we have been accumulating YFI since August right here of this year, expecting an impulsive push to the upside. As you can see, we saw that impulsive push happen in November. We're accumulating at around those 4,600. We have seen YFI push as high as the $7,000 to $8,000 level. So what is my price prediction for this week and why? My price prediction right here for YFI for this week is about the $10,700 level, and I'll tell you why I am expecting this level and why we could see that level. Right, the first thing right here is that if we see prices weak into those $10,000 level, we could see a potential push right here for YFI of about 74%. Right, and I'll tell you why I am expecting $10,000 for this week. Right, the major reason right here is the momentum chart. So the momentum chart measures the volume, how many buys ratio to sells are going on right here in the market. And as you can see, the last time we saw a flip right here above the buys, or the buys taking control, we saw a massive push to about even $14,000 level, which could be another target right here that could happen for our YFI this week. And as you can see right here, we saw a massive flip right here to about those $10,000 level. Currently we are seeing another flip right here on the momentum chart, which means that the bulls are basically in control, and we could see a massive impulsive push for YFI for this week. So expect that to happen very soon. Thank you for watching and have a blessed week.